nako. Eh, okay din. Ano mo na siya?
Nakaano na siya. Nakaano na siya.
Nabili?
Hindi. Yung
Yung
ano,
ano
yung
yan,
si...
ang ganda niya. Ang mura rin. Fairness, ha.
Yung tatanong mas bilang... Ano lang sis, lagyan mo ng ano ha, kunwari Chloe bag. Ganun. Lagyan mo lang
Ay,
siya.
ganun ba?
Paano ko malalaman? Lagyan mo na lang ng pangalan. Ay, ng ano nung bag.
Hello, Miss Eva. Everybody say yeah.
Excited na ako sa burger today. Hello, welcome back to every one of us. I'm so sorry at namatay na naman po ang ating live. 500 only for this. Maganda ang condition nito guys sa 500. Bigla nagbenta. Nagbenta.
Tanggalin ko na, no?
Oo, tanggalin mo na sis. Ayan. Oy, ayun Balenciaga Mini mo, Miss Joanne. Ano, hindi ko na siya ginetching kasi nasa mga 1,000 plus pa siya. Yung nandoon nila. Yes. The red Fendi Charm na, how much? Yes. Ano po siya? 150 lang siya. 150 and it's monster. Okay? So, Miss Al Jackie, if you're still there, this one is Series 18. Nawala nga kami, nakakaloka, no? Yes, this one is Series 18. Okay? Go na sis, pagpatuloy mo na yan.
Guys, 250. Pwede pa ba? Ay, 65 na pala tayo. Ayan, 250 Christian Dior. Guys, 250 lang po ito. Ang ganda, oh. This is a sling bag. No flow to mention, gold ang hardware. Even tarnishing issue wala to, guys. Ang cute niya. So, this one is only 250 US dollars. Ayun, ang cute po, oh. Clean ang inside. Meron siyang logo sa part na yon. And this is made in France. Made in France po ang nakalagay sa part po na yon. So, color navy blue for only 250 US dollars. Ang mura na to ha, in fairness. So, Christian Dior po ito. So, yung ating Leboy po, guys, 2,200 lang ito oh. So, ang flow na to, wala po ako, as you can check natin. Wala naman po ako nakitang flow to mention. So, as you can see, this is the front of the Leboy. As you can see, no any flaw naman po sa kanyang front. Even sa kanyang sa part po na to, yung no tarnishing issue. And also sa back part, okay din siya. So, may minimal sign of usage po siya, but not too much. So, siya, meron lang po siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano po yan. Hindi naman siya ano. So, ganyan lang siya talaga pala. So, ayan. So, okay naman po yung pinaka-back part niya. No rubs as well in the four corners. Still shiny. And, yung kanyang strap, no any tarnishing issue po sa kanyang pinaka-hardware. And also sa strap, no cracks as well. So, yung inside na to, guys, it comes with a dust bag naman po ito. If ever, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng dust bag. And box. So, this is only 2,500 US dollars. Ay, 500. 2,200 lang po ito. So, mini Levoy po ito, kasya ang cellphone. In good condition naman siya. May Chanel po siyang nakablagay dito sa part na yun, Chanel. So, let me know guys. Meron naman siyang hologram, of course, is still intact. So, the hologram is still 215971009. Ang kanyang hologram is still clean and readable. So, 2,200 lang po ang aming Leboy. And also yung red is 2,500 guys. Ang mura ng mga Leboy dito. Nag-uumapaw. This Lady Dior Black. Miss Chris, last price ng Lady Dior Black. Medium size po. Ang mahal po kasi no. So, pa-flex po ulit ng Christian Dior. Nicely, Miss Chris. Yes po, as you can see, this is a Christian Dior. Wala naman po ako nakitang any rub sa part po na yan. And also, sa underside, okay din. Christian Dior po yung nakalagay sa kanyang pinaka-canvas. And also, look at the zipper. Zipper here, still gold and logo po ng Christian Dior yon. Inside is clean. No sign of stain po sa kanyang inside, even foul smell. And especially yung kanyang handle po or strap ay walang cracks. Guys, this is only 250 US dollars. Navy blue, walang flaw. Wala pong flaw. 250 lang po ito. Ganyan siya kapag naka-worn. Kasi ang cellphone, fit po ang cellphone dito. And wallet, of course. So, let me know guys, 250 lang po siya. And this is a Christian Dior. Okay, so CC, flex po nang yan. CC Aimee Pamintuan, let me know. Type Chris na lang po for the code. $250 lang po ito. So, Miss Chris, last lang Lady Joy na medium size. CC Luna, yun na yata yung last price ko doon. Alam mo ba, 2,100 siya? Yung Christian Dior na, asan ba yun, CC? Ito. Ayun, mabigat. Sa tingin mo, hindi karumal-dumal yung price niya, no?
Ayoko siya paglaban.
So, yan, Sisi, wala na.
Chris 250 City Sling.
Hindi ko siya Sisi.
By Miss Aimee. Hi, Sisi Aimee!
Oo, sis. Ang last price noon, 1,700. Yun na talaga siya. So, thank you so much, Miss Aimee Pimentuan, kung getting this one po. Yung Christian Dior po, hindi ko na kaya paglaban talaga. Ayan. What color? Yun lang. Hirapan na naman tayo sa laboy ng color, sis. Ano na to? Faded?
Ano yung color niya
Nude.
is,
Blue-gray.
Ocean Dip.
Girl, blue yon. Ocean Deep. So, I think this is a mold.
Ano mold? Amag yarn.
Mold color.
Okay. Mold.
Guys,
Gawa-gawa to ng
makakapagsabi,
color.
color na to, color mold.
Pag nahulaan niyo po ang ano niya, ang kulay niya, ibibigay po sa inyo na ni Chris.
Oo.
Na
kainin
libre.
na to. Ayan, mold color. Hindi ko po alam eh.
Anong mold, sis?
Yung amat. Connect lang yan.
Ayan.
Okay. Reconnect. So, sisi, search ko kung anong color. Wait lang po.
Uy, bahala kayo dyan, okay? Well, meron silang compact wallet, pero tingnan natin mamaya, Miss Mary Jem, kung wala kasing price. Tanungin ko po mamaya, okay? So anyway, guys, so I have here Louis Vuitton card case. This one is in this one. Ano ang tawag dito? Graphite. Okay? Ito siya, guys. This is for only $250. It comes with a box. Okay? This one comes with a box. $250. I don't see any flaws to mention at all. Even the edges, maganda. It's nice. And this one has 3 card slots here. And then another one here. And then this is the main Kinemerut. Okay? So this one is for only $250. So if you wanna get this one, just comment there. LV250. LV250 if you're looking for this kind of card case. Okay? And then, flex the red Dior on the bottom shelf. The Lady Dior red patent. That one is for how much, sis? 1,200? Is it? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one is for 1,200, Miss Lisa Wade Ward. So if you want me to flex that one, please type flex, please. Just kidding. Okay. So this one is for only 150, guys. 150. This one is Marc Jacobs. Look at this. Pak! Ganda ng handle niya, oh. Rubber yung handle niya. Tapos leather naman yung pinaka-body. Ganon, okay? For only $150. 150, so I don't see any flaws to mention for this bag. And this one is gold hardware. Ano yung may St. Cloud, LV Mono PM size small. Hanap po tayo if meron po sila, okay? Ito siya, guys.
Blue glaze. Scalp skin.
Blue glaze. Yes, blue glaze daw ang ano nun, ang color nun. Guys, 150 lang to. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa. I will flex it for you later. Sorry po. Flex, please, if you want me to flex this one.
Guys, ang color na to, alam ko na, this is a blue glaze. Daw po ang color. Ayan. Blue glaze. This one. Blue glaze color.
Flex ko na. So, i-flex mo muna to kay Miss Lisa. Yan, kasi kanina pa siya daan. Okay. So, Miss Lisa. Okay, so this one is for 1,200. This one is in red patent, silver hardware. So, I don't see any rubs, nor any peelings, corners, no flaws. Okay. And no tarnish issue on the silver hardware. Okay. And let me check here. And no peelings as well on the side. Because usually, guys, no, dito it has peelings in here. But this one is in good condition. And I don't see any stains also inside of the bag. And it's got one zip pocket on the side. This one for me is like, how do you rate this one, sis? I think this one is like 8.9 out of 10.
Maganda pa siya in fairness.
Yes, rank AB. This one is rank AB, 8.7 out of 10. So if you want to get this one, just comment there, Anri 1,200, Anri 1,200 for this Lady Dior, what do you call this? Lady Dior bag. Okay, so this one, I can provide a dust bag. How much yung Lady, ano yun? How much yung white beige na Lady Dior? Magkano yun, sis? Yung white daw. Big Lady Dior.
Ano ba talaga?
Ang dami kasi nila nag-comment. Binasa ko na yung comment.
Hindi siya white. White pa to.
Yeah. Pero siyang strap.
Yes.
May strap. Magkano? Ganun, Yes.
Ba't di mo sinabi price? So guys, next po natin, how much yung Lady Dior? 1,200, right? Yung red po ba?
Yes.
Ayan, 1,200.
But the white one, I think that one is for 1.8.
8.
Yeah, let's do 1.8 for that.
1,800 for the white one po. That is a lamb skin. Yeah, calf skin. Whatever. So this one, guys, this is a Marc Jacob, $250 lang, guys. Oh. This is a color pink po na red strap, combination of pink. Ang cute niya, oh. 250 lang po. No flaw to mention. Still gold ang hardware. No tarnishing issue. And then still, yung kanyang bottom part, no rubs po na nakikita. So, it comes with a 2 compartment. It's still shiny. And, ayan, mabango-mabango po siya. No foul smell as well. Pink din po yung kanyang inside sa part na yon. So, ang cute niya, oh. $250 lang po ito. So, guitar strap. Ang ganda niya. Combination of pink color and red as well. And also, Barbie pink po yung back. So, $250 lang to, guys. Adjustable po ang strap. Ayan. Red Lady Dior, 1,100. So,
guys, you know the price of this one is for 1.5.
Yes.
This one is actually 1.5.
Actually, 1,500.
Yeah. But then we lower it to 1,200. Hold on. Let me check.
So, bigay mo na. Ayan. So, this one is $250 lang po, guys. So, let me know. Kahit po 230, go tayo dito.
Sige na nga.
Kunin mo na.
Who mind this one?
230 si Miss Wade.
Okay, Miss Lisa, I can do 1.1 for you. Okay, thank you so much for getting this one.
So, ayun. Thank you so much. Just confirm Miss Lisa Wade for $1,100 USD. So, this one is $230 Let me know po kung gusto nyo to. Ayan. $230 Mike Mano. MJ. Ayan. So, ito naman yung black natin, guys. So, kaya ko na lang ipaglaban dito is 1,700. If you want this black, guys, ang rank naman na to is still 8.5 out of 10. 1,700 USD for this one only. We cannot lower the price because the price is not, still high price. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Wade. So, ano pa ba? Guys, how about Celine? This is only, this is only, how much though? This is only $290 po. Ayan. $290. So, how much yung red po natin? This is only, asan ba yun? Guys, ang mura lang na to, 1,000, magkano ba sinabi ko dito? 1,500 po ito. 1,500, kahit po 1,400. 1,400 for this one. It comes with a, ano po ito? Sling, it comes with a authenticity card and also dust bag. If ever gusto niyo ng box, pwede din maglagay. 1,400 siya. So, may minimal rubs po ito, but hindi naman siya ganun ka-visible. So, kahit siguro i-last price natin to 1,300. Ayan. Guys, this is a lambskin. 1,300 lang po. For the,
1.3 lang yan.
for the, ano to?
Tapos lalagyan pa ni sister ng box.
May box to and dust bag.
Oy, sino kayo dyan? Gold hard, antique gold hardware.
Antique. Salmon color. And ano pala, anemic color. So, anemic color. 1,300, guys. Sino tumatawa dyan? So, guys, Celine po, $290 So, ganyan yung kanyang style. So, this is a combination of white, brown, and beige color. 290 lang po itong Celine natin na shoulder bag. So, as you can see, minimal sign of usage lang po siya, but wala naman ako nakitang cracks. So, as you can see, yung back part niya, ganyan siya kaganda. And also, sa bottom part, no rubs to mention. Any open piping. Ayan. So, it says gold ang hardware Celine ang logo. Ganyan siya, oh. Ang cute na to. Ayan. Inside po is still nice and shiny. This is only $290 lang po. And looks like this when worn. Ayan. Ano to isuot? So, ayan. So, ganyan siya kapag ka naka-worn. Suot nyo rin parang ganyan. Ayan. $290 lang po ito. So, baka interesado po kayo. Just like Chris, $290 if you're interested for the Celine po. Ayan. So, girl, ano na? Nakikita ko pa ba yung message natin?
Ayan. Okay, nandyan pa ba kayo, mga tao? Okay, so this one next, I have Burberry shoulder bag for only $180 US. Okay, $180 for the Burberry shoulder bag. This one, guys, is in black leather. I don't see any rubs nor any scratches. Here is the bottom part, no glazing issues on the edge, and then also the strap is in good condition. Okay, for only $180. Sino naman kayo dyan? And let's check the interior. Maganda ang kalooban, mga sisi. And this one is, ganon ang kanyang bottom. Wait lang nga. Perfect. Okay, so for only $180. So if you wanna get this one, just type there, BB180, BB180. Go! Okay, BB180, guys. Uy, maganda to. This one is rank AB 8.5 out of 10. No noticeable flaws to mention on this one. Kung naghahanap ka na ganitong shoulder bag, guys, so, alam niyo yung pang ano lang, pang aura-aura. Okay? Meron pa bang comment? Meron pa bang comment? Kung nandyan pa kayo, mag-comment naman kayo dyan.
Sabi ko nga, meron pa nagko-comment?
Parang wala naman nagko-comment na.
Ang dami-dami nila, girl, 140.
Parang hindi ko rin makita yung comment dito, sis.
Nakikita niyo po ba comment, ano, kung pagmumukha
Ended.
namin?
Ano yun? Ano yun, sis? Bakit ano?
Bakit wala ako nakikita doon?
Hindi siya na ano, no? Or sa akin lang?
Sa akin din, wala, oh.
Ayan. Hello. Ayan, may lumabas. Kanina pa ba yan?
Ayan.
Hello, Miss Serena. Thank you so much for leaving a comment. Kung may sling lang yung BB sana. Oo nga, wala siyang sling. Kung ako sa'yo, pwede mo pa siyang habaan ng konti, but isa lang. Sisi, Eva, naghahanap ka nung rank A na pang gift, wala sila dito. Yes. Hello, Miss Aurora. Hi. Para naman akong 18 years old yan sa bangs ko. Sino naman kayo dyan? Ayan,
Sana all.
tingnan ko naman yung buhok ko. Ay, alam mo, ginupit-gupit ko kasi yung buhok ko sarili.
Bakit?
Nanood ako sa YouTube, yung butterfly cut. Tapos nagpabuka
Sa sarili
agad.
talaga?
Oo. Tapos kinabukasan nagpabuka ako sa salon. Ayusin mo nga yung buhok ko. Sabi niya, ano ba ginawa mo?
Putol-putol na.
Sabi niya, ano ginawa mo dito?
Pero nakapag ano ka pala, ano tayo yak, nakapag-schedule
Oo,
ka pala.
like last minute. Sabi niya, ano ginawa mo sa buhok mo?
Fairness ah. Ginanon mo talaga?
Oo, tapos yung bangs ko hanggang dito, tapos ang kapal-kapal.
Parang
Anyways.
ano may bangs ah.
Ha?
Parang ano bangs ah.
Meron di, kaya nga ako nakaganto
Nakaklip.
sis.
Kaya ka pala nakaklip.
Kaya nga ako nakaklip.
Ang ganda ng gupit mo.
Yes! Free shipping! Free shipping to New Jersey. Free shipping worldwide except Philippines. Miss Isabel Bakiran. Ano yung pa kaya ng 400 yung micro peekaboo niya. Super cute kasi. Oo nga, wala nating magagawa. 550 na talaga to. Yes. Siguro ang pinaka last price ko dito, 520. $520 US. Ang ganda niya, no? Lagyan na pa ng color. Yes, okay. Wow, andyan si Chris. Oo nga, nandito kami.
Nandito po ako.
Ayan, show some wallet. Okay, so I think, Chris, you wanna show some wallet? Guys,
Hindi ako show eh, iba.
alam ko na. Gawin ko tong 150. Kung gusto nyo to ha, 150 screenshot and send me a message, okay? 150, okay, just leave a comment there. Anri150, Anri150. Kasi gusto ko umuwi na maaga. Anri150. Okay?
Bahala kayo
Ayan,
dyan.
go, Chris.
Ito guys, oh. Guys, ngayon lang ako nakakita this one, oh. Bucket na Christian Dior. So, baka interesado lang naman po kayo. This is only $450 US. Bucket Christian Dior. So, no major flaw to mention. Okay naman siya. Minimal sign-up usage. No any open piping in the, meron siyang minimal sign of, meron lang po siyang minimal na ganyan. But hindi naman yung cracks. This is only 450 guys. Bakit Christian Euro? First time ko nakita to. Bakit Christian yung $450 US? So if ever ayaw nyo naman guys,
Thank you, Miss Serena!
ito, meron ako ditong GG naman guys, for only $250 US. 250 for the GG po natin. This is a PVC po not a canvas. PVC, but wala naman po yung major flaw to mention or any cracks to mention. And also sa strap, okay naman siya. No cracks, no tarnishing issue as well. Gold na gold. $250 US, guys. O yun. So, bilhin nyo na to guys na makauwi na po kami. Ayan. Look at the inside po. So, may minimal lang po faded sa part na to. But wala naman siyang powdery. And also, this is only $250 US. Ang cute niya. Looks like this one, worn. Hindi na siya adjustable. This is totally sling bag or shoulder bag. Ganyan siya kapag naka-sling, ay shoulder. And also pag naka-ganyan. 250 for the GG po. Ayan. So, type nyo na lang guys, 250. If ever interesado kayo for this one, $250 US lang siya. And those one, 450 for the bucket Christian Dior. Okay? Ayun. So, ang dami nating viewers, girl. Pero walang naman. Ayan. So, let me know guys kung gusto niyo po, ha?
Okay, so next. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Serena, for getting the BB shoulder bag. Sabi na eh. Ayan. So next, if you're looking for this kind of Christian Dior chain, ano tawag ko? Chain crossbody bag, whatever you call it. This one, guys, is vintage for only $290 na lang to. $290 US, guys. $290 US, and this one is in gold hardware. I don't see any major tarnishing issues. As you can see, it's still gold. Okay? Except for the two circles. I don't know if it's meant to be silver. Pero guys, gold pa yung kanyang majority. Okay? Majority wins. For only $290 US for this Christian Dior vintage. Okay? So this one, guys, yung leather niya, I don't see any flaws. Okay? Tapos, okay din po yung bottom niya. It says Christian Dior made in France. Perfect. Any Loewe Flamenco vintage. Ano yung black na crossbody suot mo? Sino pong may suot? Ako? Miss Dolores? This one is Peekaboo. Micro Peekaboo for only 520 is the best price. And then this one is for $290. This one is gold hardware. No tarnishing issues on the gold hardware. Maganda siya. Okay? So, for only $290, let me know. May nagpapahanap nito sa akin. Sino tayo nagpapahanap nito sa akin? $290? Okay, thank you so much. Post ko na nga lang. Pakita ka doon ng wallet, sis. Ha? Pakita ka doon ng wallet.
Saglit. Ayoko na ito. So guys, baka gusto nyo po ito. This one is a sling bag also. This is only $350. Kahit po $290 US. Sling bag po na cherry line. $290 US po. So okay naman siya in good condition. So may minimal stain lang, may minimal faded po sa inside. But ayun, yun pong pinakasakit ng ano. But hindi naman yung powdery po. For only $290 US. Baka interesado po kayo. $290 US and looks like this one word. Ayan, $290 for the GG cherry line na Gucci po. Okay, so yun, maka-interesado kayo. $290 lang po ito. So this one, meron naman tayo dito Marc Jacob, guys. Parang chocolate bar na Marc Jacob. This is only $250 US lang po. Marc Jacob, ayan, kakaiba din po yung kanyang design. In good condition, no any stain po sa kanyang bottom part. Especially sa strap po niya, malinis. So Marc Jacob po ang kanyang tatak. $250 US lang siya. Ang ganda din ng compartment po niya, oh. 2 compartments side by side. Ayan. One here with zipper and the other side po here. $250 US lang po ito. Adjustable lang strap. Pwede siyang shoulder bag. Pwede rin po ito. Ayan. 250. Sige guys, so bigay ko na ng 200. 200 para makaalis na kami dito. Ayan. $200 US. Adjustable Marc Jacob po ito. So, let me know guys. Just type Chris. Meron pa po ba nagko-comment? Marc Jacob 200. Ganyan siya. Ayan, para siyang, doctor's bag. So, check natin kung may nagko-comment pa, girl. Ayan. So, guys, ang ganda na to. $200 US. Ayan. Suot mo, Chris. Ano po yung susuot ko? Ayan. Ayan, may nagko-comment pala, pero hindi gumagalaw yung aming mga
Ah, talaga?
Ferragamo new design. Ayan. Ano yung baya? So, only 150. So, Miss Dolores Dayon, ano yung black na crossbody suot mo, Chris? Black na crossbody. Wala po akong crossbody na suot. I think Levoy po ata yun. Hindi siya black, actually. This is a glaze blue, ano to? Blue glaze po, blue glaze. Ayan, hindi po siya black. Ayan, so, Aniplex yung Chanel long wallet in good condition. So, ayan.
May naka-comment?
So, meron kang mini Coco Chanel in caviar. Ayun, so, ayan. How much yung last price ng Christian Dior, Angie?
Wala na po ang last. Eto, meron dito sis, oh. Ang last price po nun is $290 na po talaga ang last price of Miss Ivy Jane. Yes. Can you flex Chanel long wallet? Yung kanina po 500. Yun yung pinakamura dito. Hi, Miss Angela. Hello, hello. Any hobo medium size? Do we have hobo medium size? Actually, nagtitingin ako doon ng mga wallet kung meron bang siyang like parang worthy i-flex. And so far, wala. Tingnan natin.
Prada 250. Prada 250, guys. Prada 250. Ayan. See how much yung pendi na suot nyo. Wow, 550 po. That is 550. Ayan. So, this one po is a, shoulder bag. Ayan. $250 US. 250 po.
Eto guys, so this one is for $299. This is Chanel. This one is Chanel. I don't know if you can see my message. Can you? Miss Angela, I will check messages, okay? Later. Hello, Cici Maria. Yes, for the micro peekaboo that I'm wearing right now. This is for only $520 last price. $520, okay? So guys, this one is for only $299. $299. Ano yung suot mo, Ate Chris, yung brown kanina?
That is Marc Jacob.
Marc Jacobs for that one,
For
okay?
only 200.
200, sister. So this one is Chanel. This is a patent. $299 lang to, guys. Silver hardware. So, no noticeable flaws to mention. Okay yung kanyang pinaka-button. Hello, Miss Alisa. Hello there. And then, ganito yung kanyang loob. So, meron siyang 2, 4, 10. 10 card slots. Uy, ang talino ko sa math. Sino ka dyan? Okay. Tapos, ito yung kanyang bill compartment. Hologram sticker is still intact. It's here. Okay. And pati yung kanyang edges, maganda. Maganda yung edges niya, mga sister. For only $299 for this Chanel. Okay. Thank you so much for that wonderful. Tapos ito pa caviar. Ito 500 lang to. This one is for only $500 US. Ganito siya. Marami siyang card slots there. Wala siyang stickiness or any peelings. And nasa ano nito? Where is the hologram sticker? Any garden party, how much? Meron ba tayong garden party dyan, Sissy? Wala ba? Nasaan ang nito? Hologram sticker. Hindi ko makita. Ayan. So, may mga kailangan po nating hanapin. Baka, abutin tayo dito ng madaling araw. Charot lang. Or wala ba siyang hologram sticker? Anyways, ayun. You bring up.
Ano pa ba? So guys, ito yung nag-ask po kanina. This is only $200 US po ha. This is a Marc Jacob. Para siyang doctor's bag. 200 lang po ito. Marc Jacob po siya. Marc Jacob. And Christian Dior. Christian Dior, I have this one for only $290. Quite $270 na lang to. $270 Christian Dior. $270. So, wala naman yung major flaw to mention. So, vintage type po ng Christian Dior, but in good condition naman siya. Ayan. So, inside po, clean. Ayan. So, for only $270 $70 lang po itong ating Christian Dior. Ayan. Small bag yung hinawakan mo na, Cloud, ate. Oo, Cloud yun. Kaya lang, ito na naman yung sakit ng Cloud na to. Meron na naman siyang glazing issue sa pocket. But hindi naman siya ganun kalala. So, ayan. Ayan, yung inside niya, ganyan po. Hindi naman siya ganun kalala gaya nung nagbablock-block po. But this one is in okay pa naman siya compare sa mga iba. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalala. This is only 300, ano to? 450 po pala. $450 for this one. Ayan, Miss J.Ann, yes, you're visible now lang po. Ayan. So, ito po. 450 siya CC. But maganda po yung condition niya ha, actually. Maganda po yung outer niya. Even yung kanyang back part. Yun. So, hello sister. Ito po ba? Ang cute na to, no? So, this is only 650. 620 last price na to, guys. Baka interesado kayo. 620, ang cute. Uy, Prada to, uy. Ang dami natin viewers ko.
Oo nga. Miss Andre, can you flex the CD Black TY? Okay, I will flex it again. Okay, guys, this one is for only $299.
Ganda ng
Loewe Espadrille for only $299. This one is unused condition, okay? With dust bag and also box. This one is size 41. Ano ba to? Ano yung size 41, sis?
Ay, ano yan? Size 11 yan. Mga ganyan.
Size 41. Ito guys, unused condition.
10 to 11 yan.
$299. Pa-flex and send pic, please. Hehe, $250 lang ate yung last live mo. 600 sis, Chris Prada. Sis Chris.
Uy,
Ayan.
Sisi, hindi kaya.
Okay. So, Chris is reading all your comments, guys. This is for the $299 size 41. Ano yung 41, sis?
Size 11 to 10 to 11. Pag 40 kasi 10.
Huh?
Pag 40, 10.
Ano yung size 41? 9? 9.
9 ba?
Ito guys, $299. This one is Loewe. Ayan. Wait lang ha. What's the last price for that? Last price for what? Miss ano? Wait lang ha. How much yung bag na blue na suot mo? 520. 520 for this. And then the Christian Dior. 41 is 11. Yes, 11. Sino po ang size 11 dyan? Cause you bring out... Ayan, Miss Ivy Jane Catrice. Okay? So, Miss Ivy Jane Catrice, I'm going to flex this again. So, this one has no noticeable flaws. Okay? So, I think, yung pinaka-flaw lang nito is yung minor tarnishing issues dito sa circle. Ayan, okay? Pero yung leather niya, no cracks, no peelings, no rubs. And no tarnish issue on the gold chain sling kinemeroots. Okay? And then, malinis ang kanyang kalooban. Maganda to, sister. Wala pa siyang foul smell. Okay? Even vintage siya. For only $290. So, if you wanna get this one, just comment there, Anri 290. Anri 290 for this one. Anri 290. Ito guys, wala na nagbabags. Ano yung pinaka last price possible? We're giving it to you right now. Okay? Anri 290. And, any more shoes? 520 mine. Ano yun? Ah, ito ba Miss Z? Miss Zai ba Miss Z? Aray ko. Let me flex this one for you. Okay. Hi, Miss Nay! Hello, Miss Nay. Ano pa last price? Pa last price ng alin po, Miss Chrissy? If you're asking for the last price of the shoes, $290. Yes. Tanggalin na natin yung $9.
Ano yung 250 mo?
Sige na, gwapa akin ng 520 or gamit. Hindi na kaya, 520 ang last dito, sister. 520. Pasuot po. Z. Wait lang ha, wait lang. Okay? So, ito po siya. Ganito siya pag nasuot. Ganito po siya pag nasuot. Ang ganda kaya nito. Sino kayo dyan? Okay? So, kung feeling nyo mahaba siya sa inyo, iganon-ganon nyo na lang siya. Yes, crossbody. You can wear this as a crossbody. Or, shoulder bag. Iganon nyo lang siya para ganyan. Opa. For ladies night out. Ang taray, no? Pa-confirm ako, Miss Ivy Jane. Ay, ginatching mo ba to? Ayan. You can wear this as a crossbody as well. Ganyan siya. Ganon. Okay? Tapos, eto naman siya, Miss Z. Okay, go. Andre, known as Christine. Huy, sino ka naman dyan? Grabe ka naman dyan, Sir Sian. Sean ba? Ayan. Sis Chris, may bag charm kasi, ayan, napupuno po kami ng Fendi charms dyan, no? Gumatching ka ng isa dyan, Miss Nailani, para mabawasan naman siya. Okay? Adjustable ba ang strap? Okay, so this one naman, Miss Z, for you. So this one is in blue leather. I don't see any peelings. Ayan, wala siyang wala siyang scratches, no rubs, pati yung kanyang corners, maganda ang corners. How much daw si Dauphine CC? Sabi ni Miss Carmen. And maganda din po yung kanyang yung kanyang chain. Yung kanyang chain, yung kanyang strap. Thank you so much, CC Ivy. I think this is our first transaction together. Ate Chris, 250, sabi ni Isa Gutierrez.
250! Parang wala akong hawak.
Sabi ni CC Isa, ayan. Ganda siya. So, pa-confirm ako dito, Miss Z.
Ano yung 250 mo dyan?
Tapos, alam mo ba, may dust bag pa to. Ayan. St. Cloud daw, small ate, 250, sabi ni CC Isa.
Uy, hindi pwede, sister. Ang tag niya is 390.
Ay, hindi pwede. Guys, wag kayong mag-alala kasi alam nyo ba, binibigay na namin ng pinaka, sagad-sagad na to.
Huwag na yun, sister. Hindi pwede.
Okay?
250 yun.
So, please confirm for this one, CCZ. Ang cute nito, no? Gusto ko siya pang-accessory lang sa sa outfits. Okay, confirm. Thank you so much, CC, for getting this one. And also, CC, hold on. Sino nga ulit yung nagkumuha nito? Si CC Ivy Jane Catrice. CC Ivy Jane, could you please send me your PayPal email and also your contact number? I think we don't have transaction yet. Meron na ba tayong transaction? Leave ako ng comment para iwas tayo sa scammer. And then guys, size 11 for only 290 best price, unused condition. This is the Weve with box and dust tag. Okay, thank you so much. And, okay, confirm. Chris, pa-flex ulit yung sling nakasuot sa'yo. Thank you, sabi ni CC J. Ann.
Sige, sister. After ni Andre.
Ayan, tapos na ako.
Ay, may nag-aas lang po, saglit lang po ha. Sa nag-aas po na to, ayan, dali nga, magsishades nga muna ako. Ayan, doctor. So, sa nag-aas po kanina dito, meron ako nakita dito, if ever do. This one is a Christian Dior po with guitar strap. For only 1,200 lang ito, guys. So, hindi siya, soft skin na lambskin po ito. In shiny ang color niya. So, this is only 1,200 lang po ha. If ever, are you still there po? Hindi ko na kasi makita po. Medyo nakita ko lang kanina yung si Miss Nimpa. Ayan, okay. Miss Nimpa Carmela Rebong Labaco. This one is a Christian Dior. Strap $1,200 US. No flaw to mention po ito. So, if ever interesado po kayo, if you're still there, say hi. I'm still here. And also, yun, 1,200 lang po ito. So, sa nagkakagulo po dito, this is a Prada Mini. This is 650 to actually, guys. $650 US. Kahit po 620 na lang sana. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa Wade, for getting that one. For only $1,200 US po. So, ayan. I think, Miss Lisa, I've already flexed it to you, lately. So, I know, you know na there's no flaw to mention. In good condition siya. So, thank you so much, Miss Lisa Wade. Word. Ayan. So, this one is 650, guys. But I will give it to you ng $620 US. No flaw to mention to. This is a mini Prada. Ang cute niya. Kasya ang, hindi ko alam kung ano kasya dito. So, check natin kung kasya ang cellphone. This is a Pro Max. So, hindi ko alam kung kasya, girl, ha. Ayan, mini lang siya talaga. Hindi yata kasya. Ayan, pagsapilit, kasya pala siya. Kasya po ang Pro Max. Ayan, kasya po ang Pro Max. Sakto lang siya. So, ayan. Inside po, fit na fit siya. So, this is only $650 US. But $620 na lang, guys. Mini Prada po ito. In good condition, no flaw to mention po siya. Yun na po kasi to eh. Ayan. So, sige na nga, 600. Go! Miss J-Ann. Okay na, sige, tanggalin ko na yung $20. So, as you can see, no flaw to mention siya, CC ha. Gold ang hardware. I think I can say this is 8.5 is still 9 ang kanyang rank. Ayan. So, look at the inside, no flaw to mention. So, thank you, CC J-Ann, for getting this one. For only $600 US. Pa-confirm lang, CC. Ayan, pwede naman. Just type Chris 600 for the confirmation. Ayan. So, yun. Anong color niyan, sis? Yun na naman tayo sa color na to. This one is a nude. Ayan. This is a nude color. Beige po. Ayan. Beige color niya, sis. Ayan. Ayan. Nude siya. Pastel color siya. Ayan. Oh, alam ko na to ha. Kayo dyan. Alam ko naman yung nude color. So, yun. So, yung mga kakaiba lang na parang mold color, hindi ko na siya alam. Ito pa, meron pa, oh. Guys, 550. Oh, diba? 550. Charan! This is a small din po. Gugulat sila eh, oh. 550 small Prada. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Can I ask you to flex the black Dior? Ano, Miss Nimpa, yeah. You already asked kanina. I understand, but Miss Wade is already mine this one, but I will flex na rin po sa inyo. So, this is a Christian Dior. Ayan po, no flaw in the front po. As you can see, gold ang hardware. And also sa back part niya, ang ganda niya, guys. So, in the bottom part, no rubs to mention, no any stain as well. And especially yung kanyang pinaka-guitar strap is still good condition and no any stain or even glazing issue po sa kanyang strap. Look at the inside. Inside is still nice. Yeah. Still nice ang inside niya. No any stain or even cracks inside and out. Exterior-wise, interior-wise, in very good condition. I think 8.5 is still out of 10 po ito. Ayan, looks like this when worn. Ayan. Ha. So, ayun po. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ayan. So, yun na. Ikaw na gawin.
Sino pang gusto mamalengke sa inyo dyan? Meron akong Marnie dito. Meron akong bayong, mga sister. Kung gusto niyo na maging bougie, ganyan o. Pa. For only 150. 150 for the Marnie. Basket bag. Ganda, no? Wala tong flaws, mga sister, ha? 150.
Okay. Ano pangalan ni Lisa Wade?
Oo. Parang tingin ko may transaction na kami dito.
Ano na buong menu?
Si Miss Lisa Wade. Chris, I was the one who asked you to flex the black Dior. Sabi
Yeah.
ni Miss Nympha.
Yeah, if you will get it this Miss Nimpa, I will give it to you as 1,200 for the last price po talaga. So, I will give it to you. If
Cancel
it's
the
okay.
red Dior, please. Okay, guys, it's available again in the market. Okay, the red Dior. Nasaan na yun?
Ayan,
This one.
Miss Nimpa, if you will get this for 1,200, of course, I will give it to you because you are you already you want to flex this one.
Yes.
And I will do second minor for Miss Lisa Wade. Ayan, just kindly confirm po. If you-
Okay. So guys, this one is back again in the market for 1,200. How much mga laboy sis? So I have the red one, 2,500. And then the white one is for 2,800. And then yung blue, magkano yung blue sister nga?
Na?
Yung laboy na maliit.
2,300.
2,300.
2,200 lang pala.
Sis, ano yung burgundy color behind white Chanel? Burgundy color behind ng white Chanel? Meron ba? Meron ba? Wait lang ha. Ako nadi-distract. So, hold on. Wait lang. Saan dito, sister? White Chanel? Nasaan yung white Chanel? Ah, eto. That one is Cartier. Cartier for 290. 290 for the Cartier. That one is crossbody, I think. Yes. Paano ba to? Ay, sino ka dyan? Okay. Sino may gusto nito, guys? This one is for 650. Chris 1, 2, sabi ni Miss Nympha.
Okay po.
O, sige, pakitaan ka na ng mga voucher dyan. Okay. Ganon.
So, okay po. So, Miss Lisa Wade. Wait, I got a black Dior, right? So, Miss Lisa Wade, ano ba ito sasabihin? So, I'm so sorry because Miss Nimpa, is our first minor because you already want to flex to lately.
Ah, wait. Sino ba nagpa-flex ito?
Si Miss Nympha.
Si Miss Nympha. Okay, so sorry, Miss Lisa Wade Ward. So I think we will give this to Miss Nympha.
Nympha.
Because she's the one who asked to flex it first. I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, I
Okay,
will do
so
second
you are the
minor
second
for
minor?
you, Miss Lisa Wade. And the first minor natin, Miss Nimpa Rebong, Carmela Rebong. So, Miss Lisa Wade, I'm so sorry po because Miss Nimpa, will become the first minor of this one. Ayan. Thank you so much po for understanding. And I hope you understand.
Yes. So you are
Thank you so much. You under second minor, Miss Lisa Wade Ward. And first minor, Miss Nimpa Carmela. Thank you so much po.
Okay. So, So, these are the bag charms, Miss Nailani. I had you to flex that earlier. No, that's not fair. Oh.
But you didn't mind it earlier. So that's why I put it back at the top shelf. And then I thought you don't like it. And then you mind the red color after that. So
So was that the
but that is the no. Yeah. So first you asked for the Lady Dior, but you didn't mind it or you didn't say anything, and then that's why I put it back to display. And after that you get the Lady Dior.
So was that the time she asked?
What is the time she asked? Then I thought you didn't want that bag. That's why I already put it back on the shelf. Miss Lade. I am. No, the price is the same, Miss Lisa. On the first place 1,400 and I give it for 1,200 is still same lang. It's the same price that I mentioned lately. Ayan, early. Ayan. It's the same 1,200.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Ayan.
So I think Miss Lisa, you will be the second minor for that one.
Yes. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Ayan. So I want to be fair, but I'm sorry, Miss Lisa. But you asked it first, but it's already
one for
I think 2 hours ago.
Oh.
Yeah, I said it 1,400. Then I give it as 1,200 for the last price. Yeah.
Okay. No, that's not fair. Hello, Miss Gemma. Hello. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me read some comments here, okay? Please confirm my message, Miss Shop with Andrew. Okay, I will confirm your message later, Miss Ivy. After I flex this one. Okay, so guys, Miss Nailani, eto na tayo dito. This is for only $150 US. These are Fendi charms, okay? Sis, may rodeo. Wala po. No rodeo. Sino ka dyan, okay? So this one is for only $1,500 US. Ano ba to? Bakit naman siya umano siya? Ay, ayan. Ayun. 1.5 lang ba to? Ay, 150 lang ba siya?
Wala kang price yung iba eh.
Ayan. I bought it because the price changed.
No.
What is it?
I gave it 1,000. I said, I think if I remember, I said
Magkano ba bigay mo?
1,200.
1, 2.
And the real price I said is 1,400. But I put it down as 1,200 at the first place. I said it the real price. I think 1,400. Hindi na natin marirecall kasi na-delete na.
Yeah.
So, yeah. That's why, yeah. I'm so sorry, Miss Wade. Anong gagawin ko dito?
Yeah. So, ano pa yun? Like, kanina, 1,400.
But no. I tell to them 1,400, but I will give it to 1,200 for the best price. I think I mentioned that one.
Yeah.
If I remember. And then after that, nobody comment. And then I put it back. That's why nobody's 1,200. Even I give it 1,200, nobody's comment. Yeah, we want to check or review the video, but it's already deleted, Miss Lisa Wade. Yeah, I want to check the earlier video, but it's already deleted. I don't know why. So I don't have any. How can I prove that I said it 1,200?
Yeah.
Magtinda na.
Oo nga. We cannot review also. I think that one is from earlier, right?
Earlier.
So that one
Yeah,
is
the
already
first
deleted. So we cannot review.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
sino po ba nakakatanda na binigay ko yun ng 1,200 earlier as ano? Ayan.
So, hold on, okay? So guys, because someone is asking about this one, can I flex this one first? How much the purple, yellow, white, orange combo, Anri? Purple, white combo. This one? Purple, yellow, white, orange combo. Okay, so this one is for only $150. This one is for only $150 US. This one is Fendi Charm, okay? So if you want to get this one, just comment there purple 150, purple 150, okay? And then if you want to get this Fendi Peekaboo Monster talaga. The Monster Charm, ito siya, this one is for 150 na lang din, okay? 150. Actually, all of them is for 150, okay? For only 150, guys. I heard it was 1-2. Mine 150. Okay, thank you so much for getting this one, Miss Megan Payne. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have to like continue because some of the viewers are watching. Viewers are watching, of course, are watching. Okay, so this one. Purple 150. Thank you so much, Miss Megan Payne. And Chris, I sent you message. Sabi ni Miss Carmen Yeralde. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next. Chris, I think most of them are waiting for the bags. So go.
Anong bags?
Flex.
So I'm so sorry, Miss Wade. I'm so sorry. I'm really, really sorry. If I can prove that I said it for 1,200. But I'm really sorry. I cannot review our video earlier because already cut. But somebody help me if someone can tell me that I stole 1,200 earlier. Please tell me, oh guys, if you are still there kanina pa, sa mga first viewer natin, please tell me that I said 1.4 or 1.5. Please give me some advice. So this one is a LB po. So if somebody can
Yes
prove
po
that I
yan.
told it for 1,400, I will give it to Miss Wade. But I cannot remember that I told 1,400, but I think I said it in a lower price as a 1,200. Yeah, somebody help me, guys. So this one is so nag-ask, oh my God, this is 2,000, ate, 2,000 US dollars po. Ayan, so that is 2,000 US dollars po from 2,500, si Miss Yel. Gusto niyo po i-flex ko?
Paano ba siya? Binigay mo siya ng ng 1.4?
Kasi yung pag ano ko kanina.
Ah, so I
Sa
think
kulay
when
price
she
niya.
flexed it for 1,400, right?
Yeah, 1.4.
She didn't get it for 1,400, okay? And then that's why she put it back there. And then when someone asked you to flex again and she gave it for 1,200 and someone mined it, I think we can give it to Miss Limpa.
Sabi
No?
sabi niya kasi 1.4. Binigay ko nga ng 1.4. Pero
Yeah.
that time din binigay ko ng 1.2.
Ah, but at that time also she mentioned it's 1,200.
Yes.
And then you didn't mine it and you got the 1,200 that I flexed earlier. So I think, yeah. I'm so sorry. So I think we're gonna find you like same item,
Yeah.
Miss Lisa. Okay. Thank you so much for for that wonderful.
Binigay ko siya ng 1.4 kasi
Yes.
binaba ko na siya really.
Okay. So I think let's just move on. We're gonna find you some. Similar bag.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
All right. Okay.
I'm
Thank
so
you so
sorry.
much. And then let's go. Let's move on. So I think we have to. Guys, if you are looking for some bags, you can leave a comment. Okay. And yes, I'm so sorry. So I think we have to move on because there are like 174 viewers. So we have to the life is. Sige, mag-English ka pa. English is so hard. So let's go.
Ayan. Did I get the purple, yellow, white, orange charm?
Yes, you got it. You got it, Miss Megan Payne. Okay? And the next is, let's go, what else?
Ito ba, ano mo ba to? Si Masing Turay ko na. Fendi. So guys,
Ayan.
150. 150 and also this one is yung cute na to ha. 150 Fendi. Ayan, this is a color yellow with das bag. So 150 US dollars and this one is 150 US dollars. Ay, may na ba to, girl?
Oh my God. Hoy, kay Miss Leigh, ano to, Miss
See, 1,200 for now.
Miss
Yeah,
Megan.
150 US dollars. And also pink. Pamigay na nga natin to, girl.
Hoy, 150 mo na lahat yan.
150 for the red color. Letter A, sa mga mahilig sa A dyan, or yung kanyang letter.
Shop with Anri.
Ayan, Anri. Anri ang initial, so 150. Pamigay na nga natin to lahat, girl. Ayan, pamigay na natin to. 150. So, this one is 250 naman to. Ito naman po yung mga wrecking ball dito, bowling. Ayan, this is only 220. And this one is a 150. Color gray with this one, letter S yat. S? Ayan, crease, ayan. Wow! Oy, Miss Megan, sorry naman dyan. Sorry naman po, sorry. I'm so sorry. Ayan, so 150 for the gray color. And red color with initial letter A. And this one is pure yellow lang po with das bag, 150. And if ever gusto niyo po ng LV, this one is a 220 of course. 220 naman po ito. So this is not a 150. This is 220. Ayan. Akin na lang, Chris, yan para di na sila mag-ayo. Oo nga, ewan ko ba naman? Ayoko ng gulo. Ba't ba nabitin ako ng gulo? Ayan.
Uy.
Or Carkis, wala pong may gusto. Ayan, I get the other black jar. Can I get the other black jar for 1,100? Pwede pa yun. 1,700 yun.
Hindi mo kaya.
How about this one po? This one is a canvas type ng Christian Dior. So, I will flex talent po without the sling to high, without the sling. So, this is a gold harbor, guys. This is only $650 US. 650 US dollars po ito. So, ayan. Christian Dior sa floor beside the red one. How much?
Christian Dior sa red floor.
Red floors. Anong Christian Dior sa red floor?
Ano?
Yung Dior sa floor behind the red floor.
Chris, yung Dior sa floor beside the red one. Ah, eto. This one, eto sis, magkano to? Brown.
Huy.
Ay, wag niyo na po itong kunin, hindi po siya karapat-dapat.
So, $650 US. And this one, I'm so sorry, Miss Wade. I cannot do this for 1,000. For 1,100.
Oh, yeah.
This is 1,700 USD. And then, you know the real price? We cannot flex this because the real price is 2,100 actually. 2,100 the real price. We just give it for 1,700 USD for the black one. This is a patent type. And I think the price is... I cannot give it for 1 month.
Yes.
The buying
You know
price
what,
is
Miss Lisa, just get
1,500.
the red pattern.
I think the red
that
one
you got
is the
earlier.
nice one. The
Yes.
nice price and also nice condition.
Yeah.
So 1,100. So I can give it last price 1,600 because the buying price is 1,500 USD. 1,600 is the last price for this one. So yeah. Ano rank ng Dearstone Dior? That is 8.5 out of 10 po, Miss Grace Nasi. Ayan. So 1,600 po, last price, 1,600. And then this one is a good condition. Ang rank na to is 9 out of 10.
Ano yung 150 months na?
Ayan, 650, rank 9.
Hello, Miss Lexingtons. Welcome back to you and welcome back to me. Ito po ba, pa-confirm, if this is the one, please press 1. Miss Lexingtons, nabuhay ka naman dyan. Kamusta ka na? I missed you. This one is for 150. Ay, ito ba? Ito ba? Ito po ba? Please confirm. Yung red or yung blue. Monster ba to? Parang hindi naman to monster itong isa. Ayan. Okay? Ganda, no? Eto guys, so this one is for only na... Guys, this one is for only 690. 690 US dollars for this Funday. Uy, ang ganda nito. Gucci brown beside white Chanel pa flex, please. Sabi ni Miss DG. Okay. So this one is for only 690 US dollars. Andre 150 blue monster. Okay, thank you so